You gotta light it. Family, I cannot. Y'all know, like, oh my god, birthday shenanigans. Oh my god. I don't know which ones to get. Oh my god. Like, come on, family. Look at all these beautiful flowers. Aren't they beautiful, family? Oh my god. Peace, love, and prosperity, family. Literally woke up like this, so don't judge me. But anyways, I want to show y'all. I'm about to go ahead and plant my flowers for my balcony buckets. So I'm gonna show y'all my little balcony, and I'm gonna walk y'all through this and kind of just talk about to y'all about why I love plants so much, you know. In honor of Earth Day, which is also my birthday, April 22nd. Let's do this. Okay, so these are the plants that I'm gonna be potting. So these are petunias. I thought these were just really gorgeous because, I mean, come on, these are like Dalmatian petunias. Look how beautiful these are. Like, doesn't this look like the galaxy? Doesn't this look like the cosmos? Doesn't this look like a spark from the breath of God? Anyways, before I get fixated on that, y'all know this is my little pachita. That's one of my baby money trees. This money tree was so small when I got it. It actually grew a lot. Okay, so these are my indoor plants, but sometimes I like to bring my indoor plants out like in the spring and summertime. Just, you know, because, you know, my peace lilies were struggling, so I've been nursing them back to life for like the past week. And these are my sansevieria. So I like to bring them outside just to get direct sun and, you know, so I can really drench them naturally. And y'all can see that's my re-up. But anyways, these are petunias. I usually get vincas. Last year I had vincas and petunias. This year I'm not gonna do vincas, even though they're like absolutely one of the easiest plants that you can get. You know, for anybody who's interested in trying planting out. And then these are celosias. So I always call this dragon breath, but come on, aren't these just so gorgeous? They all get full sun annuals. They all have like the same kind of requirements. And these are all plants that I've had before, except for these. These are, it says Verbena trailing, full sun. So I wanted some trailing plants because I want them to hang over, you know, my container, right? And then it already came with a hanger, so that would have been nice. But I'm gonna use some of these as accents. Check these out. Catharanthus. So I think these are so gorgeous. These kind of are the colors that my vincas are every year. These are the pots that I usually pot my vincas in. As you can see, they're done for because in the wintertime they don't last, okay? But and I do need to get this part of my balcony all the way in order. But I think these are going to be so cute. So I'm going to show. I actually do have to get another one of these. I have to get one more yellow one to balance it out because I have 3 pots. So yeah, but anyways, I'm not gonna lie, I will touch the dirt with my bare hands, but I do have gloves. This is what I have my cultivator, so I can whisk through everything and really you know, dig up what I need. As y'all can see, look at some of my blooms from last year. Now they're trying to come back. I got some plants trying to grow. This looks like, I assume these are either my vincas or my petunias, but these could, I doubt they're the moringos. But anyways, I don't want to take them out. I really don't. I don't know what I'm going to do. I might do take them out, family. But anyways, I'm going to get to moving this around so we can plant before the sun gets up and it's too hot. Is what it is today. A beautiful day in the neighborhood. I mean, a very, very, very beautiful day in the neighborhood. Check that out. Yes. So anyways, let me get to this. So I'm starting with this container right here. I am actually just going to go ahead and take out the little new growths. Just because I'm not really sure what these are. I feel bad, but I'm gonna go ahead and take them out. Then I use this thing right here just to loosen up the dirt. So now that we got it first, I've never chose a hanging plant to put in my pot, but that's okay. Let me show y'all how. Okay, so it's very simple. I'm just gonna take this piece off. Huh? You said what? Oh. So anyway, so I already wet these before so that it wouldn't be super dry. So I'm going to show you. I just kind of tilted it over. I try not to give damage, but look at this. This is super rooted. So this should actually be a pretty good plant. Look how much root that is. This is actually, I get all of my plants from Pikes. So if you're in Atlanta, Georgia, they might have Pikes in other places, but if you're in Atlanta, you probably definitely heard of Pikes. That's my favorite nursery. They take great care of their plants. I mean, look at this. You can tell this has been taken very well care of before I got to it. Beautiful roots. So I'm gonna go ahead and make space over here again. Just open it up, because that's kind of like a she's a big plant. So I'm gonna make space. Yes, I'm an earth girl, okay? Better than what? And then I'm just gonna try to, she's so beautiful though, like, oh my goodness. So I'm just kind of massaging the roots. I'm not like messing with them per se, I'm just massaging them, but they feel really good. So so I'm just kind of pressing it in, and I'm just being gentle with my leaves because I don't want to press on anything and pop or break anything. So let's just get her nice in there. I think that looks gorgeous. What do you think? These are going to be hanging over in the front and the back. So, yes. So now we have this one. I really don't even want to take this plant out. I'm actually going to plant this in my other container. So I'm going to keep this root, but I'm planting this in one of my like open container pots. I'm going to see how these, I'm going to see what both of these are. So yeah, you see how those roots, I'm going to repot these somewhere else. I'm going to keep y'all posted later. Y'all follow me on Instagram at IamKendraCine to see what these grow into. Because I've had other plants in here, so I'm going to repot these right there. So now these are my petunias. Look at my beautiful Dalmatian petunias. I'm going to put these in the middle over here. So my middle box, oh, I'm not about to dig on this when this thing comes in handy. And to be honest, like, I love plants. I think I started getting plants because I used to buy myself flowers all the time, and I did that for years. And then I started to get myself indoor plants. And then when I moved here and I had these flower boxes already set up on my balcony, I was like, okay, we're going to start doing these flower boxes outside. So, of course, one day I'm going to have my full-fledged garden. But for now, we've just been taking it a step at a time. So, look at this. Look how beautiful, family. This is gorgeous if y'all didn't know. They don't even have any bugs in these plants. Like sometimes you go to Lowe's or you go to certain places and they don't really water the plants how they're supposed to. They overwater a lot of times and it can really create insect problems. Now these are going to be outdoors, but it really doesn't matter about the fly part. But let's say you wanted some flowers inside, like that's very important. You don't want to have to quarantine your plants. So it says have fun and mix with other sun lovers. Yes. So this is full sun petunia. And yes, all of the plants that I have are sun lovers. Okay. Full sun lovers, just like me. Alright, so make sure I got it in the center. And bam. Look at these. Oh my goodness, okay. And then I also, there we go. I think I'm gonna have to just go and get more because I know how I want these to look, and I know for a fact I want this red one in this corner. So let me just do that. Let me just do it. Look at this. Beautiful, nice and rooted. Smells deliciously like earth. Okay, and look at that. They're so beautiful. So I'm definitely gonna have to make another storeroom because the way I have thought these out, I'm doing it different, okay? So anyways, I'm gonna have to get 2 more sets of these. I mean 2 more of these and 1 more yellow one. But I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. Check her out. Literally just came to my shop to get some more, like I told y'all, right, family? I gotta show y'all because y'all think I be playing. Literally, I picked up the last yellow one and the last red ones. Like, check me out. That's literally what I need to finish my arrangement. Look at God, okay? Check these out. I'm gonna get probably a couple of other ones too. Like, now I'm lit, okay? Look at the Lord, okay? Let me tell you how real the Lord is. Yes, we out here when we just woke up like this, okay? But look, I just saw a hawk. I wish I could turn this guy. Actually, oh no, out of sight. But anyways, we got the rest. You know, I'm one of those types of people. We ain't even had breakfast yet, but we gotta handle business. You see what I'm saying? Now, I told y'all this when I was at Pikes. Literally, I needed 1 more of these and 2 more of these, and that's all they had left, okay? Tell me to God, don't be looking out for your girl, okay? I won't believe you. So anyways, I'm gonna finish these pots. Here we go. I know they're happy. They don't even have to wait on the table for a couple of days. Check it out. My dragon breath. This is not what it's called. It's not called dragon breath. I need to get the real name of these because I'm gonna keep calling these. It's Celosius, and it's called First Flame. Flame energy, right? So... side. And again, you really want to be gentle with your plant. You don't want to like disturb the roots unnecessarily. Just transferring dirt because there's totally too much dirt on this side. But yeah, dig it up. I'm trying to make some room without making a mess. Put some dirt over here. And then I always just, you know, at the very least, you turn it upside down. You can just slide it out. There's very rare occasions where I have to cut the side of the pot for it to come out. So that's going to be different, especially since these are standing up like flames and this is down in the middle. But I think it'll be cute. And last but not least, we got to finish this one. You see how quick this is, family? I don't understand how it takes people all day to garden. It really doesn't take that long. And I can take you doing like some landscape or something, but just to do your little pots, like, look, quick. You can have your husband or your future to be husband do it for you, okay? In less than 30 minutes, okay? And if you just about that life like your girl, it ain't gonna take you long, okay? It will not. Truly. So check these out. Aren't these so gorgeous? I think that's a beautiful assortment.